Hello everyone, myself Ishwarya, a legal internet lexicon company, and my topic for today is Mutta marriage under Hindu law. The term literally means a pleasure marriage. Mutta marriage is a temporary agreement for the limited time period upon which both the parties are agreed, and there is no prescribed minimum or maximum time limit. It can be for a day, month, or year. The marriage dissolves itself after expiration of described period. However, if no such limit of time was expressed in written, then the marriage is presumed permanent. This type of marriage is seen as a prosecution by a Sunni Muslims, thus it is not approved by Sunnis. However, this is considered a legitimate by the Twelver sect, which is predominant in Iran and constitute 90% of India's Shia's population. No witnesses are required for muttas, and just like in any other contract, the woman is being part and can lay down the conditions for the sexual opinion through this time, and this can also include her daily maintenance. Her temporary husband must have to respect of these conditions, and the marriage automatically dissolves at the end of shortest period. Then there is some interesting part in this mutta marriage, that is the temporary husband and wife can renew the contract, but husband must, regardless of this, has to pay the amount to the bride. Husband has a unilateral rights to refuse to be a marriage mark of his superior position in the relationship, but the woman can refuse to intimate with him, and each can leave him. In such cases, she must return back the amount that she received from him. And in India, there has a partly approved live-in relationship. However, it will still be quite difficult for Supreme Court to constitutionally invalidate his form of marriage in this role. In the modern era, where the feminists all around the globe see this management equivalent to the prosecution, there are many advocates of nikah mutta who believes that being a contract, this arrangement is superior to live-in relationship. Thank you.